for those wondering where we've been for the last couple of months. We haven't been able to continue our renovation project or our abandoned house, mainly due to work and other projects keeping us busy. But we have been back a few times. We did replace the locks on the doors so we'd be able to get in and out of the house. Since then, that was December last, so there weren't enough footage for me to compile a video, or at least an interesting video, you know. I don't want to just throw something out there and then it's boring. You have to watch me put a lock in the door for 20 minutes. So the progress has been slow the last couple of weeks or months. Every opportunity we get, we try to invest in the house, prep the house, you know, try to get videos, especially for new creators like us. It's difficult finding the balance because you have to focus on renovating the house, getting supplies. Nobody talks about it, but camera angles, cameras, all of these little things going on at the back of your head, it can get a bit overwhelming. So besides the not enough time and the rain, it's the video, it's the editing, it's all of these little things. And then you watch other videos of other people being successful, and it can be a little overwhelming and intimidating. But I want to get back on track. I want to start renovating again. I think the last couple of weeks I've focused more on, you know, what camera angles and what's the best to capture the footage and all of these little things, and I think that's keeping me back. So I think from now I'm just going to focus on doing the work, and if the video is not production quality or pro quality, I think if I'm going to think about it like that, it's going to keep me back. So we're going to try to get back on schedule. Not that there is a schedule. I don't want to say there's a schedule and then not keep up with it. So as soon as there's any updates, we'll keep you guys up to date. We'll post. At the moment, I'm busy with the windows, so I just want to prep those, get the windows in before we even start inside, because it's been 3 times now already. We came back trying to do something in the house, and then Kalaika got attacked by wasps. Every time I'm the first one that goes in. She's just right behind me, and then I hear something at the back and she runs. But especially if you do something and then 2 weeks later you come back and you can't get access to the house inside, you know, it's that extra hassle with the video editing and all of this stuff. As we get time, our spare time, we're going to use that and just do small things, because I think because we're doing it on weekends and mostly just Sundays, some weekdays when we get the time, but then it's not a full day, you know, we're busy with other projects. So maybe 2-3 hours in the week, some days. So the videos might not be as frequent as I would like, but I will keep you guys up to date as we figure all of this out. Me and Kalaika had a conversation. We said we didn't want to focus yet on going viral. The main focus for us now is getting a documented archive, so that one day when we look back at this, we can say this is what the house looked like. Also, the other thing that kept us back is we were too focused on getting the videos perfect, and I think that's one of the things that was holding us back, because every time we edited, we said something we didn't like, or we didn't explain something properly, or something we wanted to show we didn't show. Because at the beginning we thought this was going to be easy, you know, just point the camera, do something, it'll all work out. But it's rarely that easy. So we're learning as we go. You know, if we say something dumb or we're being silly, you know, we can share that with you guys. Not always have to be perfect or say the right thing or do the right thing. So I just felt I had to update you guys, because it's been a few months and we're not going to promise on a specific date with the videos, because we're doing it as we have money and as we get time. So it might take a while. Every time the wasps, I mean, you can't even get far into the house. See, there's some of our equipment. I'm not looking to get stung today, so I'll try to show you guys through the window. But everything inside, I want to start removing this, cleaning all of the stuff inside. But if it's not the wasps, it's the bats, or there's so many things keeping us back besides the time. See, this room, at least this room, we cleaned a little bit just to get an idea of what the floor looked like. I'm gonna have to do the windows first so we can keep everything out. So every time we go into the house, we don't have to run away from wasps. But I'll keep you guys updated as we go. Like I said, I'm not going to give a schedule, because if I give a schedule, it's just another thing I'm going to have to keep in the back of my mind, especially for me being new to this. I think I'm going to focus on the things I know and can control at this moment, and not worry as much about other things. Hopefully that will come naturally, so we'll see.